If you have pending transfers on your American Express account, it's important to resolve them promptly to avoid any issues. Follow these steps to address the situation effectively. Step 1. Check your account. Log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Transactions section to view any pending transfers and no details. Step 2. Review transfer details. Carefully examine the details of the pending transfers, including the amount, date, and recipient information. Ensure that there are no errors or discrepancies that need to be addressed. Step 3. Contact customer service. If you notice any issues or have questions about the pending transfers, reach out to American Express customer service. Use the contact number provided on their website or on the back of your card for assistance. Step 4. Follow up on your request. After contacting customer service, keep track of your inquiry. Take note of any reference numbers and follow up if you do not receive a response within the time frame they provide. Step 5. Monitor your account. Continue to monitor your account for updates on the pending transfers. Once resolved, ensure that the transactions are reflected correctly in your account statement. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any pending transfers on your American Express account. Stay proactive in managing your finances to avoid future issues.